Grīnmasters Eiropas čempionāta 4. posma atklāšanās 16 labākie piloti, kas tūdaļ jau turpinās cīņu par iekļūšanos ar 8 labākajiem. Tagad vēlreiz trīnīgi priekšā atgādīties visiem skatītājiem pirms izšķirošajiem šīs dienas notikumiem trasē. Tagad 16 labākos pilotu iecēk Tomas Kielī, Golov Shanahan, Adam Zalewski, Dwayne McKeever, Kevin Piscotty, Conor Falvey, Torar Riga, Lauri Heinonen, Pavel Korpulitski, Jarko Ilka, Mika Keski-Korpi, James Dean, Kevin Pesur, Orion Nilsson, Masters European Championship round number 4.
Yeah, here we see all the top 16 drivers up to top 32, and right now they are on a mission. Of course, everybody in the top 16 is ready to fight. Wants to win, everybody wants to take the podium, and of course we wish the very best luck to everyone, every driver, and we'll see what will happen in the end. Right now they'll be lining up against the grandstands, so you can cheer, wave to them, and yeah, let's have a good time during this drive with the rain. They are all aligned up. What a great sight here. The qualifying winner, Piotr Jacek, is ready for the challenge, and you see, of course, Adam Zalewski as well, one of the fan favorites here, Riika and everybody else who has made it up to top 16. No matter labāk ir top 16 braucēji Eiropā, kas iekļuvuši Riga, Riga 16. Un ir gatavi, protams, cīnīties par uzvarām, par piedestāliem un doties tikai uz priekšu un sagādāt mums burvīgu, lielisku, ātru, skaistu, arī ļoti skaistu show. So yeah, it's getting loud here at the big circuit as we are getting ready for the big battles of today. And we can have a quick chat maybe with yesterday's qualifying winner, Piotr. Yesterday, great qualifying from your side, getting up to grips with the new car. How are you feeling before the big battles?
It feels amazing, always like that. In front of such an amazing crowd, you know, it feels great to be here. I love this track, and whatever happens after, I will still love this place. So can't wait for the battles, and let's hope for the best.
Good luck, Piotr. Let's see and have a chat with some other drivers as well who have made it here up to the top 16. Maybe we can get some Finnish guys as well. It will be interesting to chat with them. They are lining all three here. Of course, let's try with the championship standings leader, Lauri Heinonen. Lauri, how are you feeling before the battles, and what's your mindset going into them?
The morning started feeling a bit not so good, but it started growing me, and these fans are really helping.
Maybe you can say a few words in Finnish language to them.
Kiitos kaikille, kun olette nostamaan fiilistä. On mahtavaa vetää teidän kaikille.
And of course, Jarko, you also have made it on. What's your plan going into the battles? Okay, thanks. Kevin, of course, had also great runs up to the top 16. How are you feeling? What's your plan?
Hello, my name is Kevin Piscotty. Well, I'm so excited because after 3 years of competing in Latvia, finally reached the top 16. So couldn't be happier, and looking forward to the battle.
Okay, good luck, Kevin. And of course, coming up to James Dean, you have won here before, but it's a few years back. How are you feeling going into the battles?
Yeah, feeling really good. This is amazing to be back here in Riga, the biggest crowd ever with the extra grandstand. So I'm very excited. Try our best, and most importantly, try to put on a great show.
Thanks, James. And coming up, Thomas, you have surprised us with the great battles up until this point. What's your mindset going against the best in Europe?
First time, but getting this car, I'm just on a serious buzz coming into the main event. I was happy to get this car today, and I'm just going to leave it all out there in the next battle.
We can't wait to see that. Of course, Duan, also one of the favorites, one of the leaders of the championship standings. What's your mindset? Not the easiest battles previously, but how are you looking at them?
Yeah, such a tricky demanding track this weekend. George took a couple of great and quality at all times. But yes, we're going to try our best to put on the best show we can for this week we have here. So yeah, of course we're going to try our best.
Good luck, Duan McKeever. Of course, one of the fan favorites here as well. Conor Fowley, also a young gun, getting up to the grips with this track. How do you like Vicanex circuit?
It's a very good circuit, it's very fast, so it's pretty scary. But for my first time here, I'm in the top 16, so we're going to be accurate against the rain.
Okay, thanks, good luck. And of course, the only Estonian, only Baltic driver still left in the competition. Kevin Dressel, it looks almost like a home run for you, no?
Yeah, I think it's almost home one.
How do you like? Is the car getting well on, and how are you feeling?
So it's getting shots after every run. I think we fixed everything, and we're more than ready to take on James. And this is for you, my friends and crowd. Thank you.
Thank you, Kevin. Conor, of course, you have had great battles through the years here in Riga. What's your mindset going into the big battles of today?
Yeah, for sure, this is the most demanding track on the calendar. You always forget every time you come back here how hard it is to drive, so it's kind of playing with a fine limit of how much grip you can add in, but I'm having a good time. Ready to get back in the box today. I'm looking forward to pushing hard and trying to give it everything I got, and hopefully be standing on the podium later.
Conor Shanahan, of course, one of the favorites, that's for sure, going into the battles, and let's catch all the drivers. We didn't catch at the first moment, let's get back to that row. And of course, the spectators, give a big cheer to all the top 16 drivers. And we have, of course, one fan favorite here as well, Mika Kesti Korpi with the new car this year. How are you getting up to the grips with the track?
It's very nice. We have the accident with the jack in the top 32. I'm really sorry, and I didn't want to go like that. But now we are in top 16, and I'm waiting because I'm driving against my Finnish fellow Jarkko Jylhä.
What can you say to your Finnish fans?
Muistakaa pitää ääntä. Tää tulee hyvä ilta.
So whatever Riika said, it was great. The fans loved it. Pavel Korpolinski, where is Pavel? Pavel's coming up here as well. Of course, tough battles coming up. How are you feeling? Is everything all right with the car, with your mindset and everything?
Yeah, everything is perfectly fine. I'm really looking forward to the battle, and yeah, it's great to be back in Latvia to drive in front of this awesome crowd, so I'm looking forward to it.
Good luck, Pavel Korpolinski from Poland, and we have, of course, a lot of Polish fans here as well. Onion and Nielsen, we could quickly have a chat with Onion as well. Yeah, with you. How are you doing? Are you enjoying Vicanex?
I always enjoy this track. It's my favorite. High speed, great audience and atmosphere, and yeah, I'm hoping for a good day. Last year we had an engine failure before the qualification, so we couldn't make it, and today we're in the show, so we're going to put on a hell of a show for you guys. Thank you.
Okay, we can't wait. And of course, yeah, Cora and Kia, also a big smile on their face. It looks like you're loving it today here, right?
Yeah, I feel really confident in this track and with the car and the setup we're on today. We're super confident. So yeah, looking forward to top 16. Gonna be setting on the show. I think we showed in top 32 that we can perform. So yeah, just looking forward to be on that podium.
Okay, good luck. And yeah, last but not least, one of the fan favorites always, Adam Zalewski, driving his heart out. How are you feeling before the big battles?
I'm very, very relaxed, and I would like to ask, are you relaxed today? Are you enjoying the competition tonight? Come on!
for me. Corner's trying ahead. Let's see how it's gonna go, but feeling very confident at this track with my car, with the new engine S58. So let's see what we can do, and thank you all very much for your support. And that's it. Enjoy the day.
Thank you, Adam. And then we have, of course, quickly, Riika Sade here as one of the youngest drivers out there. How are you enjoying here in Riga?
I like here in Riga. It's absolutely amazing track. I really like the high speed area of the track. We have some issues with the car after the crash. Trying to get everything dialed in, but hope for the best.
Okay, good luck to one of the youngest drivers as well, Riika Sade. And now it's time, contact the likes, Latvi's himnai.
Labākie Eiropas drifteri biķernieku trasē, un mēs esam gatavi sākt Driftmasters Grand Prix 4. Eiropas čempionātu posmu šodien Riga biķerniekos top 16 best drift drivers in Europe. Now on the track in Riga and biķernieki. One more round of applause for the very best drivers. Dalībnieki varētu noslēgusies sportiskām kiešapēļ dalībnieku pārgāvtad jodosies uz startu vēl dažas minūtes un sākam top 16 dueļus. Vēl dažas minūtes un 16 labākie cīnīsies par tikai 8 vietām nākamajā kārtā, pēc beigās noskaidrosim arī čempionāta 4. posma uzvarētāju, kurš kļūs par Drift King of Riga. We are ready for top 16 battles. In a few minutes we will start an evening. We will crown the Drift King of Riga here